here once a year for food, for it's like everything, all in everything here. Like you can see animals and lots of food and rides.
Yep. In the summertime, they have lots of cars here for the back to the big game.
Yep.
They call it Hot Rod Nation. What are you doing? No, I do that.
We'll have to find a place for cheese curds, for Paul's favorite. And there's lots of music and performing artists here. So people enjoy and have fun here. There's lots of people here. Today is Sunday here, so many people are here.
Shit down around. Fucking nice.
Where do we go, Globs? Alright, everybody. Bye-bye. We'll enjoy here. Take care and God bless.
Oh, guys, if we have good behavior.